Hi, this is Bilal from Speckle, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add the tooltip data to your 3D visual inside Power BI. So once you select an element, you actually see some information about the object. But first, some context on what I did. I loaded this model into Power BI and extracted these fields: category, level, name, and type. The rest, basically version object IDs, speckle type object IDs, and data columns, they are auto-generated by the data connector. And actually, this data column, this contains all the information about the objects. So all these fields, they are extracted from the data column. So how do we add tooltip data to our 3D visual? It's actually pretty simple. Drag and drop any column into the tooltip field, and it will show up when you select the object. So let's start with the category field. I'm just going to drag and drop it into the tooltip input. So now once we select an object, we would see its category. This one is roofs, this one is planting, this one is floors, and this one is topo solid. Let's add one more. I'm just going to add the level information. So we can actually add multiple columns into this field. So once I select an object, I would see both its levels and their categories. We can also add their names like so. So now we can see their names as well. And that's pretty much it. If you faced any issues, let us know at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.